Mortgage note investing is a great way to put your money to work and secure your financial future. Hi, I'm herein, professional investor, and I want to thank you so much for coming and watching this video today. I'm going to talk with you about an investment strategy that very few people know about, and so you're at the front end of this whole movement. I guess I can call it that because it's growing at such an incredible pace. Since 1982, I've been investing in real estate as a traditional investor, a landlord and property flipper. That's what I've done. Many of you may have done the very same thing or may still be doing that. But in 2013, I found out about mortgage note investing. And once I saw it and I really took some time to look at it seriously, I decided immediately that what I want to do is I want to move out of being a landlord and out of flipping houses and completely into being a note investor. Because as a mortgage note investor, I'm actually the lender on the real estate. I am not the owner of the real estate. Now that's a big difference. You see, because as a lender on the real estate, what happens is every month I do get paid just like a landlord. However, what I get is interest, not rent. And so I'm not responsible for that property. I don't have to deal with the property. I don't have to deal with the city or the county or inspectors or appraisers or any of that. Tenants, it's not my problem, okay? I am the lender. I get paid every month or I get the property. That's the way it works. Now that's a great way to invest. And what I've found is that I could actually use my retirement account to do that. A lot of people didn't know that. I sure didn't know that. And so I have a Roth IRA and I have it invested in mortgage notes. And I show other people how they can do the very same thing. As a matter of fact, if you'd like to understand it a little better, you can head on over to noteinvestingfornewbies.com. And on that website, I have a course called Note Investing for Newbies. It's a mini course and it's free. It's normally $197, but I'm giving it away for free right now. So just go over there, you can download this mini course, and then you can study for yourself to determine if this is something that you might want to consider adding into your own investment portfolio. I believe that if you look at it seriously, you will want to add it to your portfolio, and I do suggest that you consider doing that. Mortgage note investing has been around since 1938. However, it's not been something that's been available for most of us because it's been kind of reserved for large institutions like banks and insurance companies and also wealthy individuals, wealthy families. They've been investing in that space since 1938. However, after the 2008 recession, things changed. And now the opportunity is there for even an ordinary person like me to invest in mortgage notes. And so that's what I started doing. And once I found it, I moved myself completely out of bricks and mortar and into paper. And so now I buy debt. I am a paper investor and I get great returns. I have safety and I even get cash flow, passive income that comes in every single month. I call it mailbox money. If you'd like to know how to do this, all you've got to do is head on over to noteinvestingfornewbies.com. When you're there, download the course. It's a free mini course and you can study it. That'll give you the insight that you need to feel comfortable to pull the trigger, or at least to ask more questions. So that's what I wanted to offer to you. That's my free gift. And I hope you find it and take advantage of it. It'll change your life. It certainly has changed my life and the lives of my friends and families and also my students. Well, as I said, my name is herein, professional investor. God bless you and thank you for watching.